When we think about the stock market, we usually think about shares, companies, and investors. But connecting investors with the markets requires an entire financial services ecosystem. And one of the well-known names in India's broking industry is HDFC Securities. From equity trading and mutual funds to derivatives, IPOs and digital investment platforms, the company offers a wide range of services for investors. So, how does HDFC Securities actually make money, and what makes its business interesting? Let's find out. HDFC Securities Limited is a financial services company and a majority-owned subsidiary of HDFC Bank Limited. The company has built its business around providing broking and investment-related services to clients in India's capital markets. HDFC Securities is registered as a stockbroker with SEBI and also operates across several other financial services categories. Today, its platform provides access to products including equities, derivatives, mutual funds, ETFs, currencies and other investment solutions. So, how does HDFC Securities generate revenue? Its core business is broking. When customers trade in securities through the platform, HDFC Securities earns brokerage and other transaction-related income. But the business goes beyond traditional stockbroking. The company also offers services and products related to equity trading, derivatives, mutual funds, IPOs, ETFs, currency products, depository services, financial product distribution. HDFC Securities also provides digital platforms through which customers can track portfolios and place trades online. Technology has become one of the most important parts of modern broking. HDFC Securities has developed multiple digital platforms and tools for investors and traders. Its current offerings include advanced charting, portfolio analysis, calculators, research tools and digital investment solutions. The company has also expanded into global investing, giving eligible investors access to US stocks and ETFs through its international investing platform. This combination of traditional financial services and digital technology allows the company to serve different types of market participants. One of HDFC Securities' major strengths is its association with the HDFC Bank Group. The company also has an established presence in India's capital market ecosystem and a broad product portfolio. Another major opportunity is the continued growth of retail participation in India's financial markets. As more Indians shift from traditional savings towards equities, mutual funds, ETFs and other market-linked products, demand for digital investment platforms can continue to increase. Technology, research, product diversification and customer experience are therefore important areas for the company's future growth. Overall, HDFC Securities has built a strong presence in India's financial services ecosystem by combining stockbroking, investment products, research and digital technology. With India's capital markets continuing to evolve and investor participation expanding, the role of financial platforms like HDFC Securities remains significant.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.